Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you on why you could not hear some sounds on Instagram. I'm going to show you a couple methods on how you may be able to fix this. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is just pulling down the top right of your screen and turning off Bluetooth. Sometimes it may be connected to your AirPods or speaker, whatever else, and you just don't even realize, and therefore you can't get any sound out of your phone. Another thing you can do is head over to settings, click sounds and haptics, and then here you can change the sound settings, maybe turn it up and down. Maybe it could have been all the way to the very bottom so you couldn't hear anything no matter what. Another thing you can do is go down or back into settings, go down to general, iPhone storage, wait for this to load. It might take a couple seconds. Once it's done loading, you can either scroll down or click the search bar for Instagram. You then want to click offload app. All this will do is free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Then you need to reinstall it, so all your data would still be there, but this kind of just refreshes the app. Once you're done with this, you just want to hop back out of here, refresh Instagram, and then that would be it. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.